Hey there! In this video tutorial, we'll be learning about how to use Google Maps API in an Android application. First, let's start by creating a new project in Android Studio. You will need to have the Google Play Services library installed. Once your project is set up, open the Build, Gradle file and add the following dependencies. After syncing the Gradle file, we can start by adding a map view in our XML layout file. Here's an example. Next, we need to set up the map view in our activity by overriding the onResume and PIS and onDestroy methods. Here's an example. Now let's obtain a Google Maps API key, head over to the Google Developers Console, and create a new project. Once the project has been created, enable Google Maps Android API and obtain an API key. Add the API key to your Android manifest. XML file as follows. You should now be able to display a Google Map in your Android application. Add the following code to your Activity Java file to display the map. And that's it. You can now customize your map by adding markers, polygons, and other objects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!